Good morning, students. In last class, we have studied up to lesson 6. Now, today we will study lesson 7. Who said so? Who said so? First question is, to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. To every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So, here the great personality names were given here. Scientist names were given. So, we have to write here. Who is that scientist? To every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Isaac Newton. Isaac what? Newton. Understood? Isaac Newton. Second, child is the father of man. Child is the father of man. Who said this word? William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth. And third, I have nothing to offer but blood, toll, tears and sweet. Winston Churchill. Winston Churchill. Third. And fourth, all animals are equal, but some animals are more equal than others. George Orwell. George Orwell. Fourth one. Now fifth, brevity is the soul of wit. Brevity is the soul of wit. Who told this word? William Shakespeare. William what? Shakespeare. The sixth one, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. John Keats. Who said this word? John Keats. And I think, therefore I am. Rene Descartes. Rene Descartes. Seventh one. Now eighth one, studies serve for delight, for ornament and for ability. Francis Bacon. Francis Bacon. Eighth one. And ninth one, a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Which scientist told this one? Alexander Pope. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Who told? Alexander Pope. And last one, our sweetest song are those that tell of saddest thoughts. P.B. Shelley. P.B. Shelley. Understood? So these are the 10 words told by this scientist. So note down all these 10 words. Answers. Now, lesson number 8, common names we have to study. Here two columns were given, column A and column B. Page number 8, we have to match for the, here the, what is given, two columns to know the more about the scientific name of common things. For common things we have to match the scientific name. Okay. Common name of night. First one is given here, 1 to 15 written questions. And here A to O it is written. In column B, that will be the answer. We have to match the correct answer. First one given carbon, second carbon dioxide, third laughing gas, D lithosphere, E nitrogen, F mercury, G calcium carbonate, H magma, I butane and propane, J baking soda, K iron, L sugar, M coal, N citrus acid and O argons. So these many options were given. So we have to match the correct option. Now common name of nitrous oxide. Common name of nitrous oxide, which one is here? Which one? C, laughing gas. So here you have to give arrow and put like this arrow and give their option, or complete spelling also we can write there. Laughing gas. Second, this metal rust in moist air. This metal rust in, which metal given here? Which option here now? Which metal rust in moist air? Iron. So option K. So here we have to write option what? K. Understood? Like this. Now third, the acid found in oranges and lemons. The acid found in oranges and lemons. Which one here? Which acid? Citrus acid. Citrus acid. That is N. Understood? Citrus acid. Next, now fourth, diamond and graphite are form of dash. Are form of which one? Diamond and graphites are form of carbon. Which one? Carbon. A. Diamond and graphite are form of carbon. Understood? Now fifth one, the gas used to make soda water. The gas used to make soda water. Which one is? Carbon dioxide. That is what? B. Carbon dioxide gas is used for making soda water. Next one, 6. The earth outermost rocky layer. The earth outermost rocky layer. Which option here? Lithosphere. Which one? Lithosphere. The earth outermost rocky layer. 7th one, lignite, anthracite and pit are form of, which one are form of? Lignite, anthracites and pit are form of coal. Are form of what? Coal. Understood? Yeah. Yum option. We have it right. Next one, 8th one. 8th one we have to study. Look that. 8th one. Sucrose is commonly known as. Sucrose is commonly known as which one? Sugar. Sucrose is commonly known as sugar. L. Option number L. Now sodium bicarbonate is commonly known as. Sodium bicarbonate is commonly known as what? Sodium bicarbonate is commonly known as baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate. That means which option? Baking soda? J. Now the scientific name of chalk is which one? Calcium carbonate. Scientific name of chalk is calcium carbonate. Means option number G. And cooking gas is a mixture of butane and propane. Cooking gas is a mixture of butane and propane. Means I option. Now 12th one. The gas inside an electric bulb is the gas inside an electric bulb. Which gas is present in an electric bulb? Inside the electric bulb? Argon. That is what? Argon. O. Option number O. And 13th, molten rocks before it has erupted is called. Molten rock before it is erupted, it is called what? Magma. Option number H. Option number H. 14th one, molten rocks before it has erupted is which one? This one? That one over 13 now. Now 14th one, the most common gas found in the air is, the most common gas found in the air is which one? Nitrogen. The most common gas found in the air is nitrogen. Option number E. Option number E. And last one, the only metal that is in liquid form or at room temperature. The only metal that is in liquid form at room temperature. Which one? That one? Which option? Mercury. That is which metal here? Here. Last one, mercury. So option number yeah. Option number yeah. So note down all these things properly or match that one. Has it? Lesson 9, word leader. Here some leaders pictures were given. We have to identify which country that these famous persons were the president. We have to, what is given? Every country has a head who is known as the president or prime minister. Use the help box to, here help box given down, to identify the country to which this leader belongs to. This leader from which country they belong to, we have to write that name. Okay. First one, Justin Trudeau. Which country belongs to? Canada. This belongs to Canada. So we have to write the name of that country. Second, Donald John Trump. Which country? United. This Donald John Trump belongs to United States of America. United States of America. United States of America. In short, USA. We can write it down. United States of America. Third one, Frank Walter Steinmeier. Frank Walter Steinmeier. Which country belongs to? Germany. Third one is Germany. Understood? And fourth one, Theresa May. Theresa May belongs to which country? United Kingdom. United Kingdom. Fourth one, Malcolm Turnbull. Malcolm Turnbull belongs to Australia. Belongs to what? Australia. belongs to Australia. Next, Shinzo Abe. Shinzo Abe belongs to what? Which country? Japan. Shinzo Abe belongs to what? Japan. Understood? Belongs to Japan. Shinzo Abe. Next, 7. Xi Jinping. Xi Jinping belongs to which country? Xi Jinping belongs to China. Xi Jinping belongs to China. Understood? Next one, 8th one, Abdul Hamid. Which country this belongs to? Abdul Hamid? Bangladesh. 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 Ninth one, Ramnath Govind. Which country this one? Ramnath Govind. This is the president of what? India. Our India. Ramnath Govind. India. Ninth one. And 10th one, Joko Widodo. Joko Widodo belongs to Indonesia. 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 11. Maithripala Sirisena belongs to which country? Sri Lanka. Belongs to Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. And last one, Vladimir Putin. Vladimir Putin belongs to Russia. Belongs to what? Russia. So write the name of this great personality name here, means president's names below this picture. You have to write their name of country. So note down this one.